Welcome to the Tech Today podcast. It's your host, John Mayetta. So you are looking at Alphabet/Google's income statement from their 10K. I wanted to show you guys how effective I thought ChatGPT 5.2 with deep thinking is. I was playing with it last night and I took this example. So straightforward income statement, not a ton of detail, but a fair amount. So I took that, uploaded it to the chat. And so here you can see I uploaded the image into the chat. This is the prompt. Turn the attached into a formula-driven spreadsheet. And I gave examples of the line items and the relationship to one another in terms of the calculation. But I did not say turn the entire spreadsheet into a formula-driven spreadsheet. I would have expected that the model would only do what I explicitly asked it to do, which was to make these elements formula-driven. And to my pleasant surprise, it intuited that I would probably want the other line items, which would be formula-driven, to be such in a spreadsheet. So it anticipated my need, even though I didn't explicitly state it. I haven't found that before when I've worked with the LLMs within the context of tables and spreadsheets. So that was a pleasant surprise. And you can see that it thought for 3 minutes and 45 seconds. And this is the output. I think it's just easier to show you here in the chat as opposed to the actual Excel download, which was seamless. So you can see it has nice formatting. You can see that total costs and expenses, formula driven. Income from operations, formula driven. Income before income taxes, formula driven. And net income, formula driven. So this was outstanding. That's all for now. See you next time.